create your events on Tevent, the virtual events platform for creators, entrepreneurs, businesses, societies, and cats. Because everyone loves cats. Anyone can host or join its event. Whatever you're into, we've got you covered. When inside, the choice is yours what you get up to. Hang out in rooms or jump on the stage to showcase a talk or a presentation. Let's see. Oh, I know the answer.
Wow, I am so smart.
Oh, I forgot about my meeting. We all have to be serious from time to time. Catch up with anyone on the fly or in the future. Tevent makes it easy and seamless to jump in and out. To record... wait 1 second. It's Linda from accounting. Just leave me alone, Linda. Anyway, where was I? Oh, yeah. To record all those important moments that you can watch again and again. Tevent gives you the tools to connect and collaborate with ease. Shoot for the moon and celebrate your achievements together. And if you love a bit of networking, feel free to stay in touch after the event is over. Tevent is for your event, no matter the occasion. Well, what are you waiting for? Start hosting your Tevent today. How's that?
So let's say I want to run a webinar. There's a template here. I don't need to start from scratch. I've got a stage to present in and then a room for everyone to chat in afterwards. I can schedule any number of either one, even at the same time. I've made a group chat, so I'm going to share my registration link in there. And down here, I can broadcast emails to my attendees or I can teleport them around the event. Here's a stage. You can have up to 25 presenters on here, but for now I'm going to hop on myself. I can get on anytime, even before it starts, to rehearse or set up, and then hit go live to start broadcasting. Now the audience can see me immediately. I can live chat. I can pin messages. I can kick people out. I can run live polls or Q&A on the Q&A tab. And any of the viewers I can add as friends if I want to stay in touch. Here's a space. This is a permanent hub for your audience to join. They'll be notified about new events automatically. They can rewatch past ones and they can chat and call in the permanent rooms anytime. You can see who's inside your space or your room as well. There is so much more, but it's time to talk numbers. Our goal is to make virtual events a no-brainer, no matter how many or how large they are. You can start on our free tier with all of our features forever. Our paid plans are 100% customizable based on usage, so you'll pay a fair price no matter how much you use. Don't stress about the estimates either, because you can increase your subscription anytime you need to at no extra cost. You can see the difference this makes. So pop in our exclusive promo code on our website and you can get 500 credits for free. They'll roll over, so don't worry about a time limit. Check out our pricing calculator on our website and check out the platform. Tell us what you think in the comments below. Tevent is built on feedback, so I'm going to be down there. Bye-bye.